Hi, Mommy N here, your Mommy Negosyo, and in this video, we will answer this question from Made for Yourself, one of our TikTok viewers. Ang tanong niya, kailangan ko ba, Mommy N, ng isang food tech to make siomai that's similar to popular brands like Master Siomai, etc.? Yun yung tanong. So, ang sagot ko, sinagot ko na siya actually sa TikTok, kaya you are welcome to message me as well in TikTok, in Facebook, and in all the social media presence that I have and ask the questions right away because we always check them for questions, just like this. So, ang sagot ko kay Made for Yourself is, alam nyo, hindi kailangan ng food tech. When you start a business, especially food business, most people just experiment with recipes. Alright? Saan ka kukuha ng recipe? Recipe ng nanay mo, ng lola mo, ng auntie mo. Or you can always find recipes online. Ako, sang katutak, kadami-daming recipes online. Ang dami kong kakilala na nag-umpisa ng business just by learning how to cook from the recipes online. Then, they continuously adjust the recipe to find the best one that works for them. Kasi yung iba, napakamahal ng ingredients. Syempre, hindi kaya ng price points natin, di ba? So, adjust natin yung lasa, and eventually, you will come up with the product that you want. If you are trying to make a product, like siomai for example, okay, what you should start with is not the siomai, but you should start with the people who want to buy them. Andyan na si Master Siomai, ba't mo siya kukompetensyahin? Si Mr. Siomai, nandyan na. Si Master Siomai at marami pang ibang mga siomai products. So why would you compete with them? They are already big, kaya meron na silang diskarte dyan on how to be able to lower their costs and sell it at a cheaper price. Kaya kung sila yung babanggiin mo, medyo mahihirapan ka. Now, but you can still sell siomai, alright? Look for people who do not like the quality of Mr. Siomai. There are some people who would want really good siomai, yung talagang taste ng Hong Kong, tapos a very good quality, and they're willing to pay for the price. So, ang importante na umpisahan mo is not the siomai, but start with your customers. Start with the customers na who are the people who will buy my siomai and what are the kinds of siomai they will want. Who are they buying it from now? Sino yung competitors natin? At kaya ba natin gumawa ng siomai na mas masarap? Kahit na mas mahal, willing ba itong mga customers natin na magbayad ng mas mahal? Many considerations have to be made before you start working on your recipe. Kaya the last thing you'll need, don't worry, last thing you'll need is to get a food tech. If you learned something from this video, I hope that you would want to learn more. And if you do, please sign up sa aming weekly newsletter so that we can continue this kwentuhan and these conversations. So, if that was helpful and you want more business tips, then click the link in my bio to sign up for my weekly newsletter so that you'll get free access to exclusive insights, private Q&As, and inspiring episodes delivered from my heart to yours, straight to your inbox. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy!